If I could forgive him, I would. Please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. Hey, you treat me so much better than him. And if I would say there'll be no competition, but I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry. Hey, I'm in love with another man, and I know it ain't right. Hey, you should go and find someone else who can treat you right, give you the world. Someone who understands the man you are. 'Cause baby, you shine so bright, and I would just dim your star. A girl who treats you like you treat them. Boy, I know there's plenty women who would love to have a man like you. But I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry, baby. And I know it ain't right. No, 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 no. What I did to you, baby. Oh, yeah. I can't explain why it's him and not you. But at the end of the day, baby, I just don't want to. 'Cause he ain't no doctor, none. And we always seem to fight. He got the perfect body. And sometimes he don't even treat me right. Oh, but we're now with him. But we're now with him. And hey, we're now with him. Ain't nobody else like it. And now I'm so sorry, baby, for what I did to you. And I can't keep on pretending now. 'Cause I love him. And I'm so sorry. Do you hear me? I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm in love with another man, and I'm so sorry. Hey, but I love someone else.